Good morning, friends in the house. Good morning, colleagues, folks out there. This is yet another beautiful day. We are on to the back office of Tron Crypto. This is just the back office of the Tron Crypto. And we are here to continue on the X-ray, the teaching, the illustrations of the wonders of this program, the Tron Crypto. The Tron Crypto was launched about a week ago, definitely about 7 days ago, and since then it was launched. It has been making some remarkable progress. The back office, the first page and the second page, they are all very interesting. Like this set account that we are using for this illustration now, if you look down, you see that this is the TC1 of the Tron Crypto. This first account, as we said yesterday, has earned 6 times in 3 places. This one has earned 6 times, and the 200 Tron has equally earned 5 times, while the 400 Tron has earned once, 800 Tron has earned once, 1600 Tron has earned once. That is for TC1. When you progress to the TC2 category, you see that such feat has equally been recorded. For the TC150 Tron, it has earned 6 times. For the TC200 Tron, it has earned 7 times. For the TC2 200 Tron, it has earned 5 times. For the TC2 400 Tron, it has earned just once. For the TC2 800 Tron, it has earned once. For the TC2 1600 slot, it has earned, which is 6th slot, it has earned twice, which is used to pay is higher. But the beauty of this is when you go up a little bit, you come down to the TC3. The TC3 has only earned in the 50 Tron category. You still go up further to reveal some silent points of what we are trying to send across. You see that this said person has earned a total sum of $212 in Tron, about 7,400 Tron. This person has earned about 7,400 Tron in just 1 week of 6 days or 7 days. It has earned because the program itself was launched on the 9th or on the 10th of September, and is just 1 week or 7 days interval. This account has earned 7,400 Tron. The value of 7,400 Tron in our local currency here in Nigeria is about 120 to 150,000 naira. That is what this account has earned in just 1 week. So set your target. What is your target? What do you really want to earn? What do you aim at? So this account in the next 1 week can still double this. That is a very, very good record. On TC1, it has earned 121, which is 4,250 Tron. On TC2, it has earned $86, which is 3,000 Tron. Put together gives you $212.34, and if you convert it to Tron, it gives you 7,400 Tron in a period of 1 week. My dear friends in the house, my colleagues in the house, there is no room for failure. There is no room for lassity. As I said earlier, let us maximize our opportunity. Let us maximize our opportunity. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. It is a great privilege. The Tron coin is the fastest growing coin in the market. It has the potential to rise to the number 1 and the number 2 coin in the market because the technology involved is the modern technology. It is built with the proof of stake, not the proof of work. And the Tron coin confirms 2,000 transactions per second. So it has been positioned naturally for mass and global adoption. So the Tron coin is a coin we all need to embrace. The same opportunity that was offered to humanity about 9-10 years ago by the advent of the Bitcoin, which is the first coin in the coin market, is what the is what the Tron coin is equally offering to humanity. We have seen that the errors or the shortcomings involved in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is delay in transactions, slow confirmations. You can execute a transaction in Bitcoin, Ethereum for a whole day, it's not yet confirmed. But in Tron, it's a matter of seconds, it is confirmed and it is delivered. This advantage has placed the Tron coin to be the highest growing coin in the market with the greatest potential. My brother, my sister, my folks, this is the time to do again what has been done in 2009 when Bitcoin was still at 1 cent, 2 cents per coin. We are still at that level now. The Tron coin is in the range of 3 cents. You can acquire 1,000, a million using this particular Tron crypto and using our own strategy. So let's meet in the chat room. Once again, our Telegram name is 21st Century Crypto Leaders. Tap on it on your Telegram, you will see it. 21st Century Crypto Leaders. 21st Century Crypto Leaders. Make no mistake about it. See you in the chat room for more details. Have a nice time.